Hello, Booster Beast here with yet another Magic the Gathering video. Our next 3 packs of the booster box of Zendikar Rising. We are now up to posting 3 times a week. It'll only get bigger and better. Now, let's see what we pull. Obviously, we want to pull some amazing mythics. I hope everyone's looking forward to the Commander Legends. That jeweled lotus does look interesting to pull. Let's see if we pull a jeweled lotus. Upcoming. Yeah, it's not working. We got a blink card, a forest, a foil, rare, Legion Angel. Then we got a mythic, Tazri, Beacon of Unity. And we'll go through the uncommons and commons for you. Okay. Okay. Let's open that. Okay. Another one of these empty things. We got a mountain. And we got Zarth Sand the Trickster. Very, very nice. Let's go through the uncommons and commons. See what we pulled. That looks cool. Alright, and now the last pack. Last pack magic here. Okay, this obviously isn't working out. There we go. We got a copy token. We got a Necropod, a island, a foil, and then the rare is a mythic, Ashkara, Soul of the Wild. And then we'll go through the uncommons and commons. And I hope you enjoyed the video, because that is it. This video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast. And I will see you for next week's pack opening. Have fun, have a nice week, and goodbye.